When was the last time you did something for the first time or learned something new? Learning and developing new skills and doing things that give us a sense of achievement are really good for our mental health, especially when we're feeling stressed. By continuing to learn throughout our lives, we can boost our well-being, self-esteem, confidence, and sense of purpose. It also helps us handle stress better. What's more, research shows that learning new things can increase our satisfaction and improve our chances of getting the most from life. There's also the social side of things. Learning can help us connect with others and is a great opportunity to build relationships with new people, giving our well-being even more of a boost. And don't worry, learning doesn't have to mean lots of pricey qualifications. Classes and formal courses are fantastic opportunities, but there are plenty of other ways to bring learning into your life. For example, although new responsibilities at work can be stressful, they can also help us gain new skills, learn new things, and further our careers. Even small targets like reading a chapter of a new book can give us feelings of achievement. For example, learning to play a musical instrument can have a fantastic impact on your mental health. Local classes, groups, books, and online tutorials are easy to find. You could even visit a gallery or museum. Learning about art can be a valuable life experience. Perhaps you'd even like to try your hand at art yourself. Self-guided learning counts too. Try setting yourself a project like DIY around the house, fixing an old bike, painting or crafting. It's easy to find free tutorials for almost anything online. Maybe you've got an old hobby that you'd like to brush up on or fancy a new challenge. Anything from knitting to computer programming. Evening classes are a great way to pick up practical skills like languages, cooking, mechanics, plumbing, and loads more. You don't need to become an expert. Learning things, even as a complete amateur, can improve our mental health. But just remember to leave time for things you find relaxing, like reading, watching TV, exercising, having a nice bath, and so on. You don't always have to fill your time with activity, as it's also important to give yourself breaks. Time spent doing nothing can help us think more clearly and be more productive with whatever we choose to do next. Plus, it's good for our well-being. Anything you choose to learn can have a big benefit for your mental health. Think about something you have stopped doing or always wanted to try, and get started today.